Okay guys, let's talk about Roadmap 3.0 review. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review about the Roadmap 3.0 guys. If you can make money here with Roadmap 3.0. But first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money online from your home, click the link down below in the description of this video. I will send it to you into your email inbox guys. Okay, now let's talk about the Roadmap 3.0. This is the Master Resell Rights guys. Okay, this is a Master Resell Rights that you have to purchase the course. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the things that I don't like about the course. I'm gonna tell you the things that I do like about the course. Okay, let's talk about what you'll be getting here guys. Okay, Master Resell Rights guys, the Roadmap 3.0 is gonna be teaching you how to do social media guys, how to make money using social media guys. Okay, how to make money using TikTok, how to make money using Instagram guys. Okay, and also I don't like the way that this course is being marketed. Okay, because people, they make it look like it's easy to get this kind of results, to earn over $497 per sale. They make it look like easy, which is not true guys. Okay, it requires some work. You have to do some effort. You have to do the work in order to get the same results guys. Okay, it's gonna teaching you affiliate marketing guys. Okay, how to do affiliate marketing, how to create your email marketing squeezes, how to do your email marketing sequences, how to follow up on your leads. It's gonna teach you all of those things, how to set up your own sales funnels, how to set up your own autoresponder. To be honest, the training here on the Roadmap 3.0 guys, it is amazing. It is high quality training guys. Okay, that's what I like about the course guys. Okay, now let's talk about the thing that I don't like about the course is that there is no refund policy here guys. Okay, the sale here, it is final. Whenever you buy something with Master Resell Rights, you're not gonna get your money if you don't like the course guys. Okay, the sale, it is final. So the way that these marketers, they are promoting these kind of courses guys, is that they want you to buy, okay, because they're making these income claims that look, I made $1,000 in less than 24 hours, I made $5,000 in less than 60 days. They're making these huge income claims because they want you to buy. After you buy, there is no way that you're gonna ask a refund. There's no way that you're gonna get a refund guys. Okay, they say it is final. That's what I don't like about these kind of businesses. And also, this kind of businesses, it can get saturated really fast because everyone is promoting the same course to each and everyone guys. Okay, it's gonna be difficult for newbies to make money here with the Roadmap to reach 3.0 guys. So I wouldn't recommend for newbies to buy this kind of products guys. Okay, to make money with this kind of products, because though they're giving you 100% commission, but you are buying the course, you are selling the course. Like affiliate marketing should not be in this way guys. Okay, you don't have to buy anything with affiliate marketing in order to promote the course guys. So I don't like the way this is being designed. Okay, I've seen that why so many people they promote these kind of courses is because of they're getting this 100% commission guys. So that's why, you know, and they want you to buy the same course. It's kind of, to me, like a multi-level marketing scheme to me, you know. It's kind of, it looks like that, you know, to me. Is that you buy the course, you promote the same course, and then that person buy the course, promote the same course, you know. I don't like it. Let's talk about the pricing guys. Okay, the pricing of this course is gonna be $497 one-time payment. Okay, when you buy that guys, you're not gonna get your refund. Just be aware of that guys. You're not gonna get the refund. If you want to get your refund, you're not gonna get it. The sale, it is final here. That's what I don't like about these guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to make money online, if you want to start your own online business, a legitimate business guys, okay, business that may not go tomorrow, that will stay forever guys. Okay, I remember I've been failing for 4 years guys, until I found high ticket affiliate marketing, which allows me to earn over $1,000 per sale guys, with high ticket affiliate marketing, which allows me to quit my 9 to 5 job, and also which allows me to have financial freedom guys. Okay, to be my own boss, guys. Okay, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. My number one recommendation to make money online, guys. Okay, without doing these master resell rights that can be saturated, and also that the FTC, guys, they may take down these kind of businesses, guys. They look like a multiple marketing scheme to me. These kind of businesses, guys, these are the roadmap 3.0. I won't recommend for newbies to start these kind of businesses, guys, because they can be saturated really fast. Okay, and also the way that these marketers, they market these kind of products, they make it is easy to get the results, but it is not. It requires some money to get started, guys. Take care, and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.